Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
How to create educational videos on YouTube, upcoming pilot course. Correct answer is to create educational videos on YouTube for an upcoming pilot course, follow these steps. Number 1. Choose a topic that aligns with your expertise and audience interests. Number 2. Outline your video content to ensure clarity and organization. Number 3. Invest in quality recording equipment for clear visuals and audio. Number 4. Use engaging visuals, animations, and examples to enhance viewer understanding. Number 5. Keep videos concise and focused to maintain viewer attention. Number 6. Implement SEO strategies like keyword research and video optimization. Number 7. Promote your videos on various platforms to reach a wider audience. Number 8. Engage with viewers through comments, polls, and live sessions to build a community. Number 9. Evaluate performance using analytics to refine future content and improve engagement. Number 10. Continually learn and adapt to the evolving trends and preferences of your audience.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.